Okay, so I thought I'd make the last part of the bumper build, but I just want to let you know, show you guys this. This has been powder coated. Sandblasted and powder coated.
By full throttle suspension.
Ooh, by full throttle suspension. He has connections. Okay,
yep,
so.
everybody help me out.
Yeah, look at that. It looks very, very nice. Well, you look at that. Okay, so we're going to install it, right?
There we go. Final installation.
Yeah, yeah. It looks really, really nice. I like it. Okay, so here it is. Let's see. Okay, guys, so this is how this bad boy looks. Here's another view. We've laid it flat here. Okay. As you can see, it looks mighty fine. That's the spindle here for our tire carrier. Okay. Now we know. Next time we'll prep it better. Okay. Full powder coated. Fully powder coated. Alright.